Digital Learning Resources for English Language Learners by Jennifer Bird. Why did I choose digital language resources, digital learning resources? I think that they are an underused resource for ELL students. I think teachers don't know how it all works, and I don't think they know what all is available, and they don't know exactly what to choose for their classroom. Things I learned along the way. Teachers get their recommendations, or they choose what they want for the classroom based on recommendations. They use DLRs for the Gen Ed and not so much specifically for the ELL instruction. About 2/3 of teachers use digital reference resources and language tutorials. ELL students often use DLR when working independently. A lot of them have a lack of access at home, and educators suggest that digital learning resources would improve learning by engaging students more. There are lots and lots of different digital learning resources that can support our English language learners and our other students as well. And you can create digital word walls, you can create digital stories, you can use them to translate. There are plenty of reading, writing, and math apps. There are some that do community classrooms. One of the most simplest things you can do is use Google Translate. It is easy and free and quick for everybody to find. You can simply Google simple English conversations and learn English that way. Wikipedia has a simple English section on their website. There are software products like Classroom Dojo that does a really good classroom encompassing software program, but it does do translation. So if you send a parent letter home, it does the translation for you. There's another one that's called BrainPop, ELL, and they have lots of interactive activities, games, stories. They have a whole learning curriculum that you can learn English with. There are ESL games that you can use. Kahoots is one that's popular because you can create kind of like a quiz show and work with your students. Storyweaver lets you do a storyboard so they can create stories, and it does translation for them. Rivet has a bunch of stories, and they have a bunch of Spanish stories. S'more is one that does the infographics, so you can do kind of make the graphics and have like the picture and the word that the picture goes along with. Bookroom is it records your voice, so you can say words and have the students listen to them so that they can practice their pronunciation. FluentU has a whole, it's like a monthly subscription, and it has a whole curriculum to help you learn English. And these are my references. There was quite a few of them, and thank you.